So are you sure that you want sleepy?
Sleepy. Good. Oh, hey guys, my name's Puppies, and today we're playing Danny's World. I never heard this game before. Okay, so alright, let's go! Woo! Woo! Okay. Okay, so hey, okay, let's go! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Let's go! Oh yeah! Oh my god, there's okay. So let's go! Alright guys, let's go.
Okay. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright. Whoa, what kind of... Whoa. Okay. Never mind. Hold it.
What kind? What's that? Is that a monster? Ew. Okay, so. Okay. Oh, I just pressed the skill check. Okay. Oh, hey, what do you want? Okay. Ooh, what's that sound? What's that sound? Okay, so. Hurry up. That thing just chasing me. Let's go. Ow! That thing just killing me. So I got this. Whoa, what's this thing to do? Whoa! That's so cool. Okay, so. Is everybody here left? Get in! Get in! Get in! Get in! Get in!
Ooh! Whoa. What kind of stuff is this? Yo. I know what stuff it is. Oh, what all this thing is supposed to do already. Okay, let's go! Alright!
Okay, so. Okay, let's go, let's go.
Alright.
Let's go. Okay. Woo! Ow! That was hurt. Ow! That was hurt. Okay.
Okay, so, okay, so I got 1 heart left. I got 1 heart left. I don't know what should I do.
I don't know. Let's go. Okay. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Bro, run! Bro!
Okay, he can't wait now. He can't wait now. Whoa. This game's scary. Yeah. This guy has 2 hands.
Yeah, I agreed. We have the same heart. We have the same heart. Hey, yo, we have the same heart. Why did their head stick in? Who is a boy and who is a girl? They are both a boy.
Okay, that was all good. Go. Poop, Dandy. Who's Dandy? Who's that? Wait, is that? What's that? Ew. Why does he look like that? Whoa, it's a button. Okay. What's this stuff supposed to do? Okay. Why is the one attacking me?
Oh no. I never played this game before.
I'm gonna follow him. Why is one talking? What happened? Who did this to you? Oh my god! What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Oh my god, what is that? What's that? Oh no! Whoa! Oh my god! Whoa! Whoa! Who? Who's that? Okay, no, wait. Okay. Stay with him, stay with him.
Alright, who's the last? Who's the last? Who's the last? Oh! Oh! Dude! Woo! Oh yeah! Get it! Hurry up! Get in! Wait, where's... Oh! Bro!
Okay, hold on a minute. Okay. Whoa! Excuse me. Okay, that's fine, I guess. What is that red thing? Okay. Okay, we don't find anything, so. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Taking. Is that teacher? Whoa! She's attacking me! Oh! Oh my god! Whoa! What happened to her? Why is her eyes red? Oh no, maybe there's dirt on her eyes. Yeah. Okay, so. Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa!
Yeah! Okay.
Ooh, is that? Oh my god! Oh my god! What is that? What is that? Oh my god! Whoa! Oh! Run! Whoa! 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 Oh my god! What is that? That's a little scary. You look so tall. Oh, I will use the machine. Whoa! That's a crazy.
Okay, so I got a question. If this video, if we died, we gonna we gotta end the video. Okay? This butter has no mouth. Oh! It must be the sound of a strawberry. All right. That's strawberry. Oh, weird. Yeah, that's weird.
Did the flower did it so strawberry? Oh my god, that thing looks so weird. Be careful! Oh, that was so close. Yes, that was so close. That was so close.
Okay.
Yeah, strawberry!
Oh my god! Oh, yo.
Oh my god, I'm scared. It is so scary. Oh my god. He wants to kill us.
Yeah! He's gonna eat us! We're gonna be careful. Okay? Alright. Oh no. He's trying to get it. We're gonna die. Oh! Did the butterfly just died? Now how can we go here? There's nothing we can do.
I'm scared of my Yeah, me too.
Guys, it's just a game. Chill.
No! Puppet, that was true. Why you say that to us?
Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! Whoa!
That strawberry want to kill us. Yeah. I'm so scared. That big monster is so scary.
Shut up, I know. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa. Go, 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 go. Whoa! Ow! Ow! Oh, go, 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 go. He will attack us. All right. Who is Goo? Oh, there's one. Oh, there's one. Okay. He's got. Okay. Beep. Okay. Oh my god. That strawberry is so big. Go. Whoa! Was that the music? It's okay. Okay. Strawberry. All right, go. There's only us left. All right. Okay, there's a strawberry. Okay, let's go. Hurry up. Let's go. Ooh, a strawberry. Oh my god. This is so impossible to get in the elevator. Okay, go. Alright. It's strawberry. Good.
Go. Okay, go.
Thank God we survived.
Okay, so in order to make it, that strawberry is so creepy, right? You're right. Let's go.
So we just died because we are so tired. Oh my god, we are so tired right now, so let's
Yeah, we're so tired. Hey guys, can we play a little bit more?
No!
Okay, I think I just play with myself then.
Okay. So we're done. Alright. So, bye guys!
Bye guys!